Happy Monday. This week we're going to be talking about kindness. Now, during the school year, we had a week of kindness, and the kids loved it because being kind not only helps those around you, but it makes you feel better as well. So right now is a perfect time to be kind to others. Now we're going to have to be a little creative this week because we're still doing social isolation, just trying to stay home as much as we can, not being really close to people, but you can be kind to those in your family, in your house. You can be kind to people you see on a walk. You can use the phone. So we're going to explore some of the ways you can be kind at home this week. Now I'm going to be reading to you a book called A Little Spot of Kindness, and it was written and illustrated by Diane Alder. Hi, my name is Spot, and I'm not just any ordinary spot. I'm a little spot of kindness. I've never seen a spot of kindness before. What is a spot of kindness? A spot of kindness has a sticky back. The reason my back is sticky is so I can help kindness stick to you. Whoa. I come in so many colors because the better I can be spotted, the easier it'll be to remind you to be kind. Did you know that every time you are kind, a layer of happiness is added to your heart and to the hearts of others? And since you both have the power to make good choices, you can start making the choices to be kind. I know sometimes it's hard to remember to be kind, and that's why I'm here to help. All you need to do is place a spot on your hand, just like that. Now, every time you spot me, do something kind. I can't draw. This looks horrible. Don't you know that all great art starts with a scribble? I see it's working already. Great job using encouraging words when someone is feeling sad. Remember, being supportive is being kind. Can I please play with your dinosaur? Sure you can. Thank you for asking. That's wonderful that you're sharing toys. Remember, sharing is being kind. Saying hello to someone who is alone is a great way to be kind. Remember, being friendly is being kind. I'm so lonely. Hello, would you like to play? Saying please when you want something is one of the easiest ways to be kind. Remember, being polite is being kind. May I have some water, please? Sometimes being kind can be hard, like when you break something by accident. But this is a perfect time to be kind. Remember, apologizing is being kind. My favorite pink crayon. I'm so sorry I broke your crayon. It was an accident. Do you need help? Yes, please. Thank goodness there was someone there to lend a helping hand. Remember, helping is being kind. It's always fun to make messes, but it can be hard to clean them up. Remember, cleaning up after yourself is being kind. Waiting in line can be difficult, but not getting upset is a great way to be kind. Remember, being patient is being kind. Now grab a little spot of kindness so you too can remember to be kind. Now here on the page, you're going to have a spot card for yourself. And every day that you're kind, you get to put a spot on your card. Now, how did you show kindness? Did you clean up? Did you say please? Did you call someone and say hi to them? There's lots of ways you can be kind, and we're going to be practicing those ways all week long. See you tomorrow.